So hello guys, welcome back to my everything's easy talk. Let me check my mic. Okay. Okay, can I fix it? Okay. So in this video I'm going to talk about my English journey, especially those people who want to learn English language and want to know about my English journey, guys. How I started and how I learned English language. Okay. So shall we start, all of you? Okay. Excuse me, just a minute. So my journey started 2025 when I uploaded first video on YouTube channels. I did remember. Uh, I remember little bits. That was short and that was a blog video also. So this is a just patience times, okay, and there was at the same times that is not any kind of social media knowledge, any kind of YouTubes and any kind of confidence, but it does very low confidence, guys, okay, and also zero levels confidence. And I remember I go to back when I 2023 when I went to get trainings which is called DDUGKY. And also I remember, okay, that was government's approvals legal trainings, guys, from Chhattisgarh. I don't want to talk about those things because this is a not included on English language, because that is my other journey to learn English language. Okay, so after that I don't have any kind of knowledge to given me. Okay, because I'm a very middle class family. Okay, I'm belong to middle class family, and also I'm a villager person. Okay, that kind of knowledge I don't have, which is I just become a influencer, just become a YouTuber, just becomes content creator. I don't have any things, I don't have any kind of knowledge I get. Okay, but when you started YouTube and any kind of social media, okay, you have just patience when you started. That's why you started, all of you. Okay, if you don't have a patience, you didn't start. Okay, you can't start. Okay, so that kind of patience I have that time. That's why I just started YouTube channels. Okay, I don't know, I just completely don't know. I don't have a I don't know. I'm not going to do any kind of money, any kind of fames. Okay, but I have to do my improve my English language, improve my communication skills, improve my personality development. Okay, so that is the most important things when you are villager persons. That is also two, guys. Okay, so my journey started very tough. Okay, when I shoot, when I learns thing a language. Okay, that was a very tough time for me, because this was also tough time. Okay, and this is also sometimes when I learning English language, because learning is a never ending process. Okay, so keep learning, keep growing, and keep practicing. It doesn't comes overnight. It doesn't come overnight, but also comes practicing. Okay, according to my knowledge. And you have to any kind of answers, let me uh blow in the comment. Okay, I just read it and also make it those things according to. Okay, so uh so also I was get trainings DDUGKY. Okay, there was a I just learned a lot of things, meet different of peoples. I'm just sorry to I just wanted to say, guys, I'm just sorry, some glitches on my camera, that's why I just couldn't repeat my words. Okay, so when I got trainings, okay, that was very inspirations for me. Okay, then I realized a lot of things. If I अगर मैं गांव में होता तो I can't do anything about it. I can't learn a lot of things when I went and when I learned from DDUGKY. Okay, This channel is not created those things, okay, actually who not included, okay. I don't want to talk about the DDO GQI just like their life, okay, their trainings and their trainings when I got training, okay, live. But when I get trainings and when I learn from a lot of things, okay, I realize a lot of peoples, I met a lot of peoples, different peoples, and make different types of peoples, make a different type of friend also, okay. And and where I learns कि गौतम तुम क्या कर रहे हो, what you are doing sitting you at homes right now, okay. Although so don't focus on my grammar guys because I also working on it. So in this video I just going to tell you, don't sitting at your homes right now, okay. Go and hang out and meet new peoples and meet different of peoples, make new friends also. I think you are not knowledgeable persons, but you are going to make, and he's a knowledgeable person also, it can be, okay. I'm not sure because in my case I just happens this, okay. So go and hang out with the new places and meet different of peoples and try to be confident of yourselves, okay. And confidence of yourselves also, and talk to new peoples, okay. Then also, if you talk to new peoples and if you will talk to new people's, confidence also will come, okay. So so see you next video guys. This is an uncompleted video because some glitches on my camera, that's why I couldn't complete this video, okay. So get you by a new video and get you soon very well, okay. Bye bye.